Hey, how you doing? I'm Chris,
My name's Cameron.
and this is SolarEdge Night Mode. This week on Night Mode, we are going to be talking about all things PCS.
Yeah, PCS stands for Power Control Systems. It was formerly known as EMS or Energy Management Systems, but it's important because SolarEdge just made a huge announcement. We are moving to single SKU inverters. That means there's going to be larger inverters on smaller service entrances, and PCS is the solution to allow that to happen.
Absolutely, not only that, but you'll be able to select not only your on-grid power, but your off-grid power. So in addition to building bigger systems with PCS, now you can build bigger systems for backup, which is really exciting. We'll talk about all of that this week. So if you've got questions, make sure to drop them down below in the comments, or you can email nightmode@solaredge.com. We'll also be answering your questions live during the session. Also, if you've got an installation that you want to show off or have us show off live on the air, we'll be more than happy to. Just send it over to nightmode@solaredge.com.
Absolutely. So again, that'll be 3 p.m. Pacific time or 6 p.m. Eastern this Thursday. So we'll see you there.
Look forward to it. I'm Chris.
My name's Cameron.
Stay sunny.
Stay optimized.